Hey Millennium Minders, I'm back with another video for you, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn $200 PayPal money chatting with strangers online. And yes, I know when we were young we were taught not to talk with strangers, but in this you're going to be sitting at home behind your computer, safe in your mommy and daddy's homes, so there is no harm to this. And as I say, you're going to learn how you can get paid by chatting to strangers online with these 3 websites via your keyboard in the comforts of your home, up to $26 per hour. And this is a free and international worldwide method where you can do anywhere in the world. Anybody can sign up, anybody can get registered on these websites and start earning online. I'm also going to give you a bonus where you can get paid from home to do basic support for Apple. Yes, the computer, Apple, iPhone, MacBooks, etc. So if you are an Apple fan, this is also for you. But let's get straight into the method. And the first website that we're going to have a look at is called SiteStaff. And this is a website that provides chat software for businesses. So you can see there's like a chat field here. You can start chatting already. And if you go to the About page, you can read a little bit about them, the testimonials. And how this works is chat agents basically help people through the chat, through support. And you can become one of these chat agents and earn $10 per hour on this website. And SiteStaff is only hiring remotely, mainly in the US at the moment, so we are very unclear if they're actually going to extend that to an international base. But for now, this is a great opportunity for you to earn $10 just through a chat, as a chat support, chatting with people online through this website. So you can see you will need to contact them on the page. Contact us, you'll have to give them a call where you can set up a demo or subscribe. And then from there, they might ask you a couple of questions and you can become a chatter on this website and you will earn $10 per hour with SiteStaff. And if you can type 60 words per minute, you're okay, you're decent at English, you've got good grammar, then you can definitely get started on this site straight away and start earning. But you'll get more information on that when you actually contact them and subscribe or sign up with them. And the nice thing about this, you can do this along with other side hustles. So for example, you're already making $10 an hour here. You can do something else. For example, maybe one of these other chat programs that I'm going to show you. Then you start earning $15, $20, $30 an hour. And before you know it, you've got a couple of streams of incomes from just all of your side hustles and you're making a good income for yourself. And the second website I'm going to show you is called Weebly.com, which is essentially a website considered as an alternative to Shopify, where you can build basic online stores or basic website pages through a simple drag and drop creator. And what Weebly wants is people that are self-motivated, that want to get involved with the community as well, with chatting and support, and also people that are really good maybe with grammar or English, that can speak decently, or that can just type decently, or that can type with good English and provide support or customer service for their particular company and products. And the cool thing about Weebly is that they pay $17 to $18 per hour. However, they do have a requirement that you must work 20 hours a week. But if you work this out, this is $300 to $400 per week, which is a really good income, and that's bigger than the average wage in my country, which is a good salary. And I mean, this, you are working from home part-time, just chatting with strangers online, and you are earning at the comfort of your desk on your keyboard at home. And then the third and bonus website that I want to show you is with a company that I'm sure a lot of us are familiar with, and that is one of my favorite brands, one of the most successful first $1 trillion company in the world, and that is Apple. And you can become a home or a job or a home advisor for Apple, where you will chat with people online through a support chat like you see on basic websites or basic IT support websites. You'll see they've got like the live chat in the bottom corner of their websites where you can chat with people online and you will get paid for this. And if you're an Apple fan, you got your MacBook, your iMacs, your Apple TV, your Apple Watches, etc., your iPhones, then this is maybe the awesome opportunity for you to become a Apple home advisor where you will get paid to support for Apple. And if you know a lot about Apple products, this is definitely a great way for you to earn a great side income as a side hustle. And the nice thing about these websites, or this one specifically, you can save up to scale a much larger or bigger online business where you can essentially then use this money to reinvest into, as I say, a more scalable business where you can grow your income even more and more on a daily and a weekly basis. And what an Apple Home Advisor is, you become a person support for Apple, not a tech support, so you don't have to have any technical knowledge of the specific phones or iMacs. You just become a person support. And what I mean by this, you basically just help people with their Apple products. So for example, if somebody doesn't know how to sign into their Apple account, you will help them with that through the live chat and you will get paid for that. And the nice thing about Apple Home Advisors, you get paid significantly more than just $10 or $18 an hour. And we spoke about $10 and $18 an hour on Weebly and SiteStaff. With Apple home advisors, you can earn anywhere between $15 and $25 per hour just being an Apple home advisor. So the pay is really fantastic with Apple. And they do advise that you do have a telephone for telephone support. So obviously having that as well is a great bonus. Maybe it will give you a greater chance of actually getting a home advisor job with Apple, where you can essentially get started and get earning online from the comfort of your home. And the great thing about Apple home advisors, if there's anything you're not sure of, you have access to a whole network of other Apple home advisors, different colleagues that are maybe working with you around the world, and you can ask them questions and you can get information from people all the time, where you can essentially help your clients, satisfy your clients with Apple, and get paid a great wage and become a loyal employee or a loyal home advisor employee for Apple. And the requirements for becoming an Apple home advisor is fairly basic. I mean, all you need to do is you need to be able to speak good English with good grammar, and you just need to know your way around an Apple product, the operating system, the Mac OS, the iOS software, and just, the basic settings and functions, and you're good to go. But those are my 3 favorite platforms that you can use to make money online from the comfort of your home, typing, chatting to strangers online. And the nice thing is you can do this as a full-time job if you like. So it's not like it's one of those websites that really pay you peanuts, like a couple of cents per hour. This pays you a real wage and pays you a good wage. I mean, this amount of money being paid on these websites is far higher than the average wage in my country. So, I mean, it is really a good side hustle if you want to earn some good income online. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe down below. I upload daily on how you can make money online and succeed in your online business. And also I've got a whole bunch of free courses coming up in the next couple of weeks, such as full-on business models, how you can scale up to 5-6 figures. And also comment down below if you need help with any of these websites, and I will answer you directly, or perhaps also on Instagram. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video tomorrow.